Hello, my dear students, and welcome to a new grammar lesson with me, Miss Rula. Let me start with this question. What if? What if you miss the bus? If you miss the bus, you will take a taxi. What if you miss the taxi? If you miss the taxi, you may walk. Look at this picture. Here we have a nice proverb, which is, if you chase two rabbits, you will catch neither. And here we have a nice joke as well. What is, if you chase more than two rabbits, you will catch none. Before I tell you about the title, let's listen to this audio.
What would you do if you won $1 million? If I won $1 million, I would travel around the world. That sounds amazing. If you travel to Italy, you will eat the best pizza. True, and if I eat too much pizza, I will probably get fat. If you exercise, you won't get fat. Good point. If you come with me, we will have fun together. Deal. If we go together, we will take lots of pictures.
So our lesson today is about conditional sentences. In this type of sentences, we need some conjunctions like if, when, unless, as long as soon as. For example, if you study well, when you study well, as long as you study well, as soon as you study well, you will pass. Conditional sentences have more than one type. In our lesson today, we are going to know about or to learn about the zero conditionals, first conditionals, second conditionals, and third conditionals. Let's talk in details. Zero conditionals, we need if, simple present verb, simple present verb. Here we are talking about facts, about certain situation. For example, if you heat ice, it melts. Another example. If we throw a piece of wood on water, it floats. Now this is your turn. Think about another example. Good. Let's move to another type of conditionals. First conditionals. If, simple present verb, the second part will have will and the base verb. Example. If you have much money, you will be happy. It is not certain. We are not sure. Not all rich people are happy. It is not necessary to be happy if you have money. Another example. If our team loses the match, we will get upset. We will cry. We will shout. Let's move to the next type of conditionals, which is second conditionals. If plus simple past verb, the second part should have would plus the base verb. Here we are talking about uncertain situation in the present. Example, if the weather was nice, we would go for a walk, but the weather is not nice, so we can't go for a walk, or we can't walk, or we can't go anywhere. Another example, if I were you, I wouldn't say that. If I were you, I would say sorry. Here we have a kind of advice. The next type of conditionals is the third conditionals. If plus past perfect, and the second part should have would have verb 3. Example, if he had won the race, he would have been famous, but he didn't win the race, so he couldn't or he wasn't famous. or he couldn't be famous. Another example, if we had bought the car, we would have traveled to Aleppo. Would you please share your example with me? Okay, thank you. So very good. Yes. A very good point and note, which says you mustn't use will or would twice in the same sentence. Look at this sentence. Can I say, if you will study, you will succeed? Is it correct? What do you think? Of course, it's wrong. We can't say, if you will study, you will succeed. So how can I correct it? Yes, please? Okay. Yes, very good. If you study, you will succeed. This is the correct form. Now, let's move to the exercises. Exercise number 1, choose the correct option to complete each sentence. Sentence number 1. If you heated, heat, will heat, or heats water to 100 centigrade, it boils. What do you think? Okay, so the correct answer is yes, heat. Very good, excellent, very good, yes. Let me now move to another exercise, which is find the wrong part. If he was taller, he can join the basketball team. Is it correct? No, not at all. It's not correct. What is the wrong part? Where is the mistake? Is it letter C? Let's check. It's not part C. Is it part B? No, it's not part B. Is it part A? Yes, very good. How to correct this sentence? Yeah. Yes, that's it. Very good. If he is taller, we should use the present form of verb to be, which is, not was, because we have the verb can in the present. If he's taller, he can join the basketball team. Another exercise, fill in the blanks with the correct conditional form. And we have sentence number 1. If you mix red and blue, you get purple. Here we have a fact. We have a certain situation, which is mixing colors. Think about this statement. If you, yes, let's check it. If you mix red and blue, you, what about this part? You get purple. Here we have a fact. Great. Yes, very good. Now, what did we learn today about conditionals? How many types did we learn about conditionals in this lesson? Yes, very good. Let's check. Conditional sentences here in this lesson are 0, first, second, and third. Very good. Yes. Okay. Here we have another exercise. We can take it as homework. It is about sentence transformation. Rewrite the following sentences using the type of conditional indicated in the brackets. You need to turn these sentences according to the order, to the words, to the type written in brackets. Here we can stop, we can end our lesson, and I hope that you get the benefit and enjoyed your time. See you soon. Bye for now.